Thinking about buying an electric scooter? Before spending your money, there are some important disadvantages you should know that many first-time riders don't expect. Electric scooters are great for short trips, but they're not the perfect transportation solution for everyone. Understanding their limitations can help you avoid expensive mistakes and choose the right option for your lifestyle. One of the biggest downsides is ride comfort. Most electric scooters have small wheels that don't absorb bumps very well. Potholes, cracked sidewalks, gravel, and uneven roads can make your ride uncomfortable and less stable. Small wheels also affect safety. Because they have less contact with the road, they're more likely to lose traction on wet pavement, painted crosswalks, loose gravel, or fallen leaves. Riding carefully becomes even more important in bad weather. Another disadvantage is battery range. Most scooters work well for daily commuting, but longer trips may require frequent charging. Cold weather can also reduce battery performance, meaning you won't travel as far on a single charge. Many people don't realize that batteries eventually wear out. After several years of regular use, replacing the battery can become one of the most expensive maintenance costs of owning an electric scooter. Weight capacity is another limitation. Lightweight designs make scooters easy to carry, but they often reduce comfort, stability, and carrying ability, especially for larger riders or anyone transporting heavy backpacks. Safety should always come first. Wearing a properly fitted helmet, staying visible, following local traffic laws, and regularly checking your brakes, tires, and battery can significantly reduce your risk while riding. Before buying, think about your daily commute, road conditions, weather, charging options, and local regulations. The best scooter isn't always the cheapest one, it's the one that fits your needs. Electric scooters can be an excellent transportation choice when used in the right situation. Knowing their disadvantages helps you make a smarter purchase, ride more safely, and avoid unexpected surprises later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment with your experience, and share this video with someone who's thinking about buying an electric scooter.